Knowledge is one of the most sought after qualities and achievements in this world. As such, Abdullah ibn Mas'ud radiallahu anhu advises us that we should be in one of two conditions. Either in the condition that we know and we have obtained complete knowledge of something, or we are in the process of learning it. And knowledge here is referring to the knowledge of deen, the knowledge of the Qur'an, the knowledge of the Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ, the knowledge of the injunctions of Islam, the teachings of deen, the teachings of morals and characters. He says, "أُغْدُوا عَالِمًا أَوْ مُتَعَلِّمًا وَلَا تَغْدُوا بَيْنَ ذَلِكَ." Either go and learn all of deen or engage in the process of learning. Become a seeker of knowledge. Don't be anything in between. What is in between a person who is seeking and a person who has knowledge? It's a person who doesn't care about it. A person who's disinterested, is sitting on the side, does not know, is not attempting to know, and they're content with their lack of knowledge or lack of understanding. In another narration, "أُغْدُ عَالِمًا أَوْ مُتَعَلِّمًا أَوْ مُسْتَمِعًا أَوْ مُحِبًّا وَلَا تَكُنِ الْخَامِسَةَ فَتَهْلِكَ وَالْخَامِسَةَ أَن تُبْغِضَ الْعِلْمَ وَأَهْلَهُ." Either become a alim, go and become a person who has very sound knowledge of all areas of deen, or become a student of knowledge. Devote your life to the learning of knowledge. If you cannot devote yourself to the process of learning, then at the very least, أو مستمعا, at least listen to the talks of the people of knowledge. Sit in the gatherings of knowledge and listen. If you cannot make this a full-time pursuit or a serious pursuit in your life, then from time to time, on a regular basis, sit and listen to the talks of the people of knowledge. If you can't even do this, then there is still one thing you can do, and that is have love for knowledge and the people of knowledge. So either go and learn it all, or busy yourself in the process of learning, or listen attentively to the talks of deen, to the teachings of deen, or as a bare minimum, have love in your heart for knowledge and the people of knowledge. But don't be the fifth one. These were four. Don't ever fall into the fifth category. What is the fifth category? That you have malice and ill feelings towards knowledge and the people of knowledge. So what happens is that sometimes negative encounters or interactions or experiences lead to a person distancing themselves from knowledge and the people of knowledge. That is not a very good place to be. So Abdullah ibn Mas'ud radiallahu anhu is encouraging us to either go and learn the deen and become a learned person, or engage in the process. And according to the other narration, at least spend some time listening to the talks of ilm, or at the very least have love and affection for knowledge and its people, and show that love and affection and treat them with love and affection. Because after that level is danger for the believer, because he will be in a place where what he's doing, what he's thinking and feeling is not pleasing to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the person becomes confined to their ignorance and is unable to come out of it. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala open up for us the doors of knowledge.